So our next exercise is to visualize the accounts receivable aging. So to achieve that, I want to do three things. I want to do a tree map, a pie chart, and a funnel. So obviously, we go straight to our visualizations over here, and a tree map is this one here, I think. So let's just check that. Hover there, it says tree map. Let's make that bigger for now. And I want to use the percentage for each due date range. So let's go have a look at aging. I'll get rid of these older ones. No, I won't, otherwise they'll destroy the rest of my system. So what I need to do is go find percentage over here. Now I'm going to put that percentage as the values that we're interested in, and we're going to break it up by due. So I'm going to put that to group. So we can now see that percentage number, 19%, 0.19, 0.38, 0.37 for each of our areas. We're to give it a new title. So to give it a new title, we click on the little paint roller. Here's our title. I'm just going to call it Outstanding Receivables by Age. I'm going to make it centered, so it's centered that up the top there. Let's fix that typo because OCD is a thing. Okay, now I want everything to be shades of purple, so again, I make active the tree map. I go to the little paint roller, and under data colors, we have all the colors are set. So if I want to make 60 to 89, which is currently yellow, if I make that red, I can do it that way. But I'm going to go over here and I'm just going to pick each one of these following purple items, one after the other, to get to the last purple. And now we are done. That's our first tree map. So I'll make that smaller. You can see that mix around with the presentation. Let's do a pie chart. So same idea with a pie chart. Okay, I'm going to pick up our percentage, make that our value, pick up our due, put that in as our details, and we can see that it's now put a pie chart in. Let's give it a title, Outstanding Receivables by Age. Make it centered. Make the colors again, go to data colors, light purple, slightly less light purple, more dark purple, not quite as dark as all that purple, and oh my goodness me, that's really purple. So there we have the different shades of purple. And the last visualization we want to try on is Outstanding Receivables by Age, but do it as a as a funnel visualization. So the funnel visualization is this one here, and I'm going to pick that up. So just click on it once, move this one up, make it big. Now again, I go through the values in aging, and I want to try let's make it active. So there's all of our items here. We're going to group it by due, and we're going to put percentage in here as our values. And immediately you can see that it's put some things in there. Now, if I put that in like that, give it a title. Outstanding Receivable by Age. Change our data colors again to all, it's just plain old purple, like that. What I might do, oh, that's much nicer. Okay, I'm probably happy with that. I could change my purples, data, colors, I could do advanced control. Show all. Advanced control gives me color scales and things. I don't really want that at the moment. Show all is that, and I could pick the different colors of purple that way. Let's do that. Bang, bang. Third one and fourth one, and oh my God, that's purple. Okay, so that's what we've got there. And that allows you to compare each item against the other. And it's all sorted relatively okay. There is a problem that's going to be what's going on here. We've got a lot of more than 4 months overdue. That's going to be an interesting problem for us. Which visualization? Well, it's a matter of personal preference. I'm sure that you could think of a couple of other visualizations in here that might be useful. Let's try this donut one. Put it here. And let's pick up our due, make it our details, pick up our percentage as values. And we've got a similar sort of idea. It's really going to be much closer to the pie chart, for example. That's all that one really is. I think I probably prefer either I'm actually happy with all three of those. Probably the pie chart's easy to set your head around. I like the outstanding receivables funnel as well. Okay, but that takes care of exercise 2. Before I go, you can get your graphics out, export to PDF, file export to PDF. It generates a PDF. I have all the other exercises, of course, all hidden there in preview. So I can then edit that and use that to put that into my different presentations. But that takes care of exercise 2.